IIT Kanpur has received an overall rating of 4.8 by students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into the details of its BTech program, starting with the 4.6 star rated placements. As per NIRF 2024, 985 students graduated from the 4-year UT program in 2023, with 688 placed, resulting in a placement rate of 70%. The remaining 24% opted for higher studies. Compared to the previous year in 2022, the placement rate has declined. As per student reviews, notable recruiters included Accenture, Mastercard, Swire Robotics, IXIGO, BHEL, NTPC, Microsoft, Google, and several others, offering roles such as data scientist, data analyst, AI engineer, structural engineer, site engineer, and project manager. The median salary offered was 23 lakh per annum, marking an increase over the past 3 years. The median salary offered at IIT Kanpur is comparable to IIT Kharagpur. Speaking of internships, students secure opportunities in companies like Google, Microsoft, JP Morgan, Oracle, and Texas Instruments. Now let's take a look at the academics, where the BTech program is rated 4.6. IIT Kanpur offers BTech across aerospace, biological sciences, and bioengineering, chemical, civil, computer science, design, electrical, management sciences, mechanical, sustainable energy, material sciences, and engineering. For admission, candidate must have 75% aggregate marks in 10+2 and obtain a comparative score in JEE Advanced. A quick look at the JEE Advanced 2024 rank reveals intense competition for computer science, while admission to material science and engineering is comparatively easier. Compared to IIT Kharagpur, the competition is more difficult at IIT Kanpur for CSE program. The total tuition fee for the 4 years is approximately 9.6 lakh rupees. However, most economically backward students with a family income less than 1 lakh are granted a 100% tuition fee waiver. For other economically backward students with a family income between 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees, the fees is around 4 lakh rupees. Turning to infrastructure rated 4.7. The campus spans 1,037 acres and includes digital classrooms, auditorium, extensive library, workshop, computer center, and medical facility, along with laboratories such as aero modeling lab and the control system lab. IIT Kanpur offers 13 halls of residence for students, each equipped with a TV room, a reading room, a mess, a canteen, and sports amenities such as badminton and football courts. The hostel rooms are available on a sharing basis and are non-air conditioned. The institute also provides air-conditioned rooms for students in visitors' hostel too, on single and sharing basis. Students have given it a mixed review on the mess food, and some found it good while others rated it average. The on-campus sports facilities include swimming, badminton, basketball, cricket, shooting, football, lawn tennis, volleyball, table tennis, and several others. Moving on now to the 4.5 star rated faculty and course. Students appreciate the highly qualified and approachable faculty, and the curriculum is industry oriented, and it includes activities such as conferences, workshops, seminars, and webinars. The campus has established collaborations with multiple national and international organizations, including Hero MotoCorp Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Boeing International, Microsoft Corporation, and Saudi Aramco, which offers ample opportunities for students. Now let's take a look at the 4 out of 5 star rated campus life here. The campus has multiple hobby and student activity clubs, including adventures, joggers, biological research and innovation network, journalists, business, aero modeling, automotive engineers, music, dramatics, and several others. It hosts multiple events throughout the year, with the most important ones being the annual sports meet and the annual cultural fest. Lastly, IIT Kanpur is ranked 4th in the NIRF 2024, remaining the same since the previous year in 2023. For more details on IIT Kanpur and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.